Killer cops, 2 policemen among 7 people arrested for killing at popular restaurant in St. Anne. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also in the news this evening, farmers warn to find creative ways to adapt to climate change in order to grow their businesses. And 1 man perishes in fire while another is homeless in Clarendon. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.